After just a week of drinking this smoothie, you'll notice encouraging effects and feel lighter in your daily routine. This recipe comes from a certified dietitian. To make it, start by slicing fresh cucumber and placing it in a blender cup. Next, add 1 small banana. Not only does it add natural sweetness, but it's also rich in potassium, vitamin B6, and fiber, which support digestion and maintain steady energy levels. The main ingredient is a cup of baby spinach. This green plant is packed with iron, vitamin K, and antioxidants. Pour in a glass of water to combine everything, then blend until smooth and creamy. This simple yet nutrient-packed smoothie delivers intense flavor and a wealth of vitamins. I loved the taste, and the bonus was seeing real progress on the scale after just 1 week. It's a small step that can lead to big changes. Natural home remedy for overeating. It eliminates bloating, gas, and stomach pain while supporting digestion. The feeling of fullness disappears instantly, bringing quick relief. Take half a teaspoon of coriander seeds and crush them in a mortar. Coriander improves digestion and helps with bloating. Add cumin seeds, known for relieving stomach pain, bloating, and digestive issues. Cumin regulates bowel function, aids both diarrhea and constipation, and stimulates digestive juices. Next, add a few black peppercorns. The piperine in black pepper promotes stomach acid and enzyme production. Include a small piece of ginger to combat bloating, nausea, and vomiting. Add dried mint, which stimulates digestion and soothes discomfort caused by overeating. Lastly, mix in a pinch of turmeric, which boosts bile production, aiding fat digestion. Crush all ingredients well. Pour half a liter of water into a pot. Add the spice mixture and bring to a boil. Simmer for about 5 minutes, then strain the liquid. This drink relieves bloating, excessive gas, and stomach pain caused by overeating. Drink 1 glass in the morning and evening until symptoms subside. In much smaller amounts, it can also be given to children over 12 months old. Do you have your own remedies for overeating? Surprise your guests. I'm sure they've never tried anything like this before. Take a fairly large apple, preferably a sweet variety. Cut it into 4 parts and remove the core, leaving clean quarters. Use a peeler to cut as many thin slices as you need. Lay them flat, slightly overlapping. Make 2 rows of apple slices like I do. Once you have your 2 rows ready, start rolling each one from the outside in, keeping the peel on the outside. This will create a shape that looks like a rose. Repeat with the second row of slices. If you're hosting more guests, make an apple rose for each of them. Place the apple rose in a cup and brew your favorite tea. Pour the hot tea over it and you'll see the rose open up beautifully. It looks stunning. And the tea gets a delicious apple aroma. Put the walnuts in boiling water. Everyone should know this holiday trick. Start with about half a kilogram of walnuts in their shells. Place a pan or pot on the stove, add the walnuts, cover them with boiling water, and cook for 10 minutes, stirring to make sure they cook evenly. Then, drain and let them cool. Once cooled, you can easily crack them by hand. Boiling makes walnuts easy to crack, and you'll get whole pieces without needing a nutcracker. You can also use a small knife to split the shells, ensuring the nut remains intact. After cracking all the walnuts, select 12 of the best pieces and set them aside. Chop the rest and transfer them to a large bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of shredded coconut and 6 tablespoons of honey, mixing until smooth. Grease your hands and form balls from the mixture, flattening them into rounds. This should yield 12 portions. Melt a bar of white chocolate in a double boiler. Prepare a muffin tray with paper liners, and add a bit of chocolate to each. Chill until set. Place the walnut rounds onto the hardened chocolate and gently press. Then, melt 2 bars of dark chocolate. Spread it over each walnut cookie and let it set. Garnish with the reserved walnut pieces and shredded coconut. These no-bake walnut cookies are ready to enjoy. Easy to make and delicious. What's your favorite nut-based cookie? This fall pot is a must-have. Let me show you how to prepare it. Take 1 apple and slice it thinly. Choose a sweet variety for the best flavor. Then grab an orange and slice it too. Oranges are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, perfect for health. Add a few sprigs of fresh rosemary, known for its numerous health benefits. The next ingredient is cinnamon. Whole sticks are best. Also, toss in a few star anise pods for a bold aroma and flavor. Add a small handful of cloves, which have antibacterial and antiviral properties. Now take a pot and fill it a bit more than halfway with water. Add in the fruit slices, fresh rosemary, and 2 cinnamon sticks. Include the star anise and cloves. Then sprinkle in a small spoonful of nutmeg. Stir everything together and let it simmer on low heat. This mixture boosts immunity, aids relaxation and concentration, warms you up, eases stress, and improves overall well-being. Delicious coffee desserts perfect for any occasion. They're quick to make, and the result is stunning. This dessert not only tastes delicious, but also looks great when served. Start by preparing 3 cups. Pour 90 grams of chocolate sauce into each cup as the base. Next, gently whip 100 milliliters of cream until slightly fluffy but not stiff. Divide the cream evenly among the 3 cups to create the next layer. Now it's time for coffee. Choose the one you like best. Prepare it as you have done so far. Pour 200 milliliters of aromatic coffee over the 3 servings. Finally, lightly sprinkle cocoa on top for added flavor and an elegant touch. Done. These desserts are perfect for a cozy night in, easy to make, and truly delicious. I hope you give them a try. Pour condensed milk over the butter cookies. My family requests this dessert every weekend. Place the butter cookies in a bowl and pour 2 cans of condensed milk over them. Mix well to ensure all the cookies are coated in milk. At this stage, crumble the cookies into smaller pieces. Then transfer the mixture to a pot, set it on low heat, and start warming it up. While stirring continuously, add 100 grams of powdered milk and 50 grams of butter. As the dessert heats up, it will thicken more and more. Remember to keep stirring. When the mixture becomes firm, transfer it to a dish lined with parchment paper. Allow it to cool. Then place it in the fridge for a few hours. After chilling, remove the dessert from the container and take off the parchment paper. Garnish with fresh raspberries. Cut into pieces and enjoy. This dessert is easy to make, yet surprisingly delicious. My grandmother never throws away walnut shells. They're more valuable than you think, natural and rich in many nutrients. You can prepare a priceless infusion from them that can replace many pharmacy remedies. Take the washed walnut shells and put them in a pot. You'll need shells from about 10 walnuts. Grab 1 medium onion, peel off just the first outer layer, and cut off the ends. Slice it into a few pieces and toss it into the pot with the walnut shells. Add 1 cinnamon stick and a small piece of ginger. Cover all the ingredients with water. Boil for at least 15 minutes, then set aside for half an hour and strain. This drink helps with coughs, colds, and the flu. Onion, ginger, and cinnamon add flavor and enhance the power and effectiveness of the infusion. They have antibacterial and antiviral properties and contain many vitamins and minerals. After it cools slightly, you can add 2 tablespoons of honey. Buckwheat honey in particular soothes bouts of severe coughing. This tea has anti-inflammatory and warming effects. It helps alleviate flu and cold symptoms. Drink 3 cups a day, preferably warm, as it has better warming properties then. Have you heard of this recipe before? Have you tried walnut shell tea? Let me know in the comments.